ready.
What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Real Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell everybody, tell somebody, because we're litty over here. And without further ado, y'all, you know we back at it again with the announcement for the giveaway winners. You know, it's two of them. I want to say congratulations to everybody that decided to enter into the contest, and congratulations to the two winners. And y'all, please make sure that y'all send me your mailing information, and I'll try to have, you know, everything sent off within the next week or two. Y'all know the usual. So yeah, usually 1 to 2 weeks, but yeah, just send me over your mailing information. My email is going to be somewhere on the video. So for the first winner, I want to say congratulations to Books Almighty. You're winner number 1. Thank you for entering the contest. Congratulations. The next winner we have Angela Hemingway 9916. And I want to say congratulations to you both. Thank you for entering. I really do appreciate it. Once again, send over your information to my email, and y'all, just thank you so much for the support. I love everyone, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.